Hello everyone, this is going to be my very first deck profile, and this is my OCG hero file deck. This is composed of the Elemental Hero, Vision Heroes, Destiny Hero, and then Mask Hero, and some Evil Hero put in. Alright, let's go. First, I run one Elemental Hero Neos, put it here. And then I run two Elemental Hero Stratos, one of our starters. And then I ran one Liquid Soldier and one Shadowless. I run Liquid Soldier because Liquid Soldier is a good card. It lets you draw two, then discard one. That can set up your hand and can set up your graveyard. Okay. And then moving on to the Evil Heroes, I only run two Evil Heroes, Dead End Prison, and then a Dusted Gold. Now let's move on to the Vision Heroes. I ran one Vion, two Increase, and then one Faris. Then moving on to the Destiny Heroes, I ran three Malicious Bane, one Plasma, then one Denier. Next is I ran two Mass Hero Furnace and then one Mass Hero The Scroll. The Mass Hero engine really helps the card for the switches of Mass Change. Ever since Furnace was introduced, the only card that switches Mass Change is Shadowless, but now since we have Furnace, searching Mass Change is way easier. Okay, then that's all for the heroes. Let's move on to the spell. Let's move on to the hand traps. So this is a basic hand trap. So I run 3 Ash, then one Draw, one Cumulus Mulcharmy, and then two Maxes. Because OCG Maxes are still valid. Then let's move on to the spell and traps. First, I run one Reinforcement of the Army, two Forbidden Droplet, one Called by the Grave, one Cross Out, and one Triple Topic Star. Now, then I run three Hero Leaves, two Mass Change, two Destiny Fusion, one Evil Assault, one Miracle Fusion, then one Polymerization. Okay, that's all for the spells. And I also run one Favorite Comic. That's for the main deck. Let's move on to the extra deck. I play one Elemental Hero Flame Wingman Infernal Rage, one Sunrise, one Destiny Hero Destroy Phoenix Enforcer, one Mass Hero Duskcrow, Darklaw, then one Elemental Hero Shining Neos Wingman, one Wake Up Your Elemental Heroes, one Vision Hero Trinity, one Elemental Hero Thunder Giant Baltic Thunder, two Contra Zero Chaos. This card can now be fusion summoned so easily because of the Mass Hero engine. Then one Mass Hero Atomic, two Cross Crusaders, one Wonder Driver, then one Infernal Device. So that's my hero pile deck, guys. I hope you enjoy, and learn about the profile. This is my first deck profile, and I'll be planning to do more in the near future, especially with this my Infernoble deck, one of the best deck for me. So thank you guys, thank you for watching, take care.